when the foreign owner thinks that, he set up the LLC, but the LLC is not doing any activity. The LLC is basically not operating, it's dormant, and they think they are not required to file the pro forma 1120 and 5472. And we all know that the failure to file those forms is $25,000 penalty, which is pretty huge. And so when you think that you have a dormant LLC and you're not required to file, that's wrong. The pro forma form 1120 and 5472 becomes necessary when the foreign owner makes, a related party transaction between himself and the LLC. And even though the LLC is dormant and it's not operating, there are certain things that the owner does or may do that would trigger the reporting. So for example, the states where you form your LLC requires that you renew it every year, especially some states. And I know most of you form it in Wyoming or Delaware. Those states requires that you file it every year and you renew it. And then you also have the registered agent fees, okay? So a lot of the time when you have a dormant LLC, it probably means sometimes there's no bank account for the LLC, or the bank account does not have any money. And so the owner dips into his own pocket and pays all those expenses, such as renewing the LLC or the franchise taxes, and also paying the registered agent. Now, those payments that the owner is making on behalf of the LLC triggers reporting. It's a related party transaction in the sense that you're doing it for the LLC. So whenever you have those transactions, and even though your LLC is dormant and it's not operating, right on the spot, you have those pro forma 1120 and 5472 forms to report. And so be aware of those situations and report accordingly.